Hi guys, how are you doing? It's been a minute tangu niongee na nyinyi guys. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being my returning subscriber. I'm so happy I'm forever grateful for your support. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy my videos.
The evening drips like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city light.
Fanya mix sana sio. Ametekwa. Kuna ile tunachagua, kuna ile utatuambia tutacheza nayo. Yes.
Nimira. Oke, Nimira.
Ya kayak.
Yeah, can
Mana itu nih lagi. Ini kayak. Iya, cini. Itu ya Rama. Ikut. Meja sama badu. Ganti. Ini dia lupa nak kami cumin.
Thomas.
Ya. Tiara nih mungkin terus keluar.
Iya apa?
Aquí yo beda pun apa? Ben. Puja banyak.
Bado?
Coba aja. Gold border.
Gani kona coconut?
Whatever it is there you give. No, kile
Umetokea?
Oh. Okay, tafadhali tuma. 10, 20.
Ipasha moto ama uende hiyo.
Wacha tu.
Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Broken glass speaking. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle whispers of disarray. City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in.
Nimetoka kubuy ingredients za ingredients za tumbukiza. I want to try to make tumbukiza today. Sijai tengeneza tumbukiza. I had it kitambo when I was in like campus. Tulikuwa a friend of mine made it. So leo nataka ku try. I will show you. I hope itatoka vizuri. So nimebuy ginger, capsicum, spinach, waru. I think my babies will eat waru. Me, I don't like waru. Na osobuko, ama what do you call it? Na danio. Na pilipili. Yes. Let's see the outcome. Yeah.
City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the